Good day, everyone. Learn how to connect a Bluetooth headphone or Bluetooth speaker in a PC, in a laptop. So it's a very straightforward and very easy process. So let's go ahead and connect our headphone or speaker. So here in the search icon, type Bluetooth and you will find the best match Bluetooth and other devices settings. And we will quickly click on that. Now, if you're using Windows 11, you will see a window like this and it says Bluetooth is turned on. And now we need to click on add a device. So I already have a Bluetooth speaker, so I'll just remove it and I'll re-add and I'll connect again. So now I'll click on add device. Now, since it's a audio device, which comes under the recorder, the headphone or speaker. So we will select Bluetooth audio device, mice, keyboards, phones. We will click on that. The moment we click on that, you will have your Bluetooth headphone or the Bluetooth speaker. Please make sure your device, the device which you want to connect to your PC, should be turned on. And I have already turned on my speaker and now I'll select it. And hooray, we have successfully connected our speaker in a laptop or PC in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this is so easy and now you can enjoy, and I'll be glad if you hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Take care.